Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, December 1st, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Today was a totally crazy day, full of sound and fury and signifying nothing. We, I, I think at 35 minutes into the day, we had $10,000 profit on the board, but by the time the dust settled, it was basically a break even day for us, with us closing out $2,000 and carrying a little over $2,000 in open trade equity on our positions. This is what happened. You can see this crazy Dow chart here. The Dow actually opened up. A lot of good news and rumors coming out regarding the tax bill being passed, which I think Congress is in an all-night session or something, or they're either going to vote on it tonight or they'll vote on it tomorrow. But it looks like it's going to pass. It doesn't seem much uncertainty about the passage of that tax bill. The problem here, you see this huge sell-off. This is really stupid in my opinion, but the sell-off was caused by Donald Trump's uh, former Home Security guy who only served 28 days. That was Michael Flynn, and Michael Flynn pleaded guilty on one count of lying to the FBI. And of course, the markets hate uncertainty, and they're talking like, well, this is the end of the Trump administration. That's just nonsense. This is a nothing burger if there ever was one. And the market, when it realized that, started to recovered very nicely. It only closed down 34 points. It's still well over 24,000. And I will predict a huge rally on Monday because they're going to pass this tax bill either tonight or tomorrow. And so we're going to come into Monday with a passed tax bill. And this, with this bull spike and everything, it's going to really take off. Anyway, that's my analysis of it. But this was a news-driven market day, and that gets very tough to trade. And all I can say, we didn't lose any money on the deal, but we did give up quite a bit. And on some of our trades, I'll show you a couple of them here. This was one of those. We had I think three of them like this. This is Global Blood Therapeutics. We had bought this yesterday, and then this morning on the open, it really shoots up here, and we're up over $3,000 right up here. But then the Flynn sell-off starts here, and we're stopped off down here, and that $3,000 goes to $300, and we had three stocks like that. Each one was up about 3,000, and it went basically to nothing on the stop out, and that's where a lot of our potential profits went. And the thing is with this thing, after it recovers and they realize that this Flynn thing isn't the big deal everybody's making out of it, we get re-entered, and we have some small profits there in Global Blood Therapeutics, but the big one was up here, and we didn't get it because of this news-driven stock market today. I did have one trade. This is our best trade. This was the only one that went right. This is Esperion, and we got into this late in the day yesterday, and we got out. We had the big pop-up, and we got out on the pop-up, and we got almost $3,000 out of Aspirion, and it sold off on the Flynn nonsense too. But we're out of it before that happened, so that's how we got our profits there. Anyway, a little frustrating day, but we certainly didn't lose our shirts. So hey, I'm going to have a good weekend. You guys have a good weekend. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here on Monday for what I believe is going to be a big rally.